Rowan Lewis, age 19, travel and tourism. So I chose this course because it's a good stepping off point for the career that I want to go into, which is hotel management. So then obviously doing this course will help me go to uni and then progress further then. So I chose Coleg Gwent because it was the most accessible for me, and a lot of my friends came to Coleg Gwent as well. They also offered like open days in the summer and while I was still in school as well. So then I had a chance to talk to tutors and get a gauge on what the course was like. So the best thing about studying Coleg Gwent would probably be the diversity. It's easy for you to be able to meet friends in college. Meeting people here in Coleg Gwent I wouldn't have met in school. So in school you're all really from the same area, you all have the same experiences. Whereas in Coleg Gwent everyone's different, so you meet people from Newport, Cymraeg, Tredegar. So I would recommend this course mainly because of how accessible it is. Also the tutors, they're very, very helpful. Those who are struggling with them, they can come and give you a hand.